Indian policemen. Unlike the Tibetans, Nehru sought to negotiate with the Chinese. He accepted Chinese sovereignty over Tibet and even gave up a seat at the high table, permanent membership of the UN Security Council, as he chased shared Asian amity. None of this deterred Chairman Mao, though, from the military conflict that occurred a few years later.
From points 1 and 2 in recently communist-conquered Tibet, the Red Chinese...
The 1962 war started on the 20th of October and ended after China stopped the hostilities a month later. The war demolished Nehru's dream of Asian amity and even crushed his image as the leader of the Third World. The military defeat and the loss of territory also dampened India's prospects as a pole in the global post-war equation.
Red crime against an unprepared nation.
Just a year before the war, Nehru spearheaded the non-alignment movement and hoped India and China would reshape global destiny in post-World War era. But he failed to read all signs of Chinese resolve.
A big demonstration in New Delhi, and the banners speak for themselves. It seems that the word...
From Sun Yat-sen to Chiang Kai-shek to Mao Zedong, reunification of Tibet was non-negotiable. Nehru's only chance was Zhou Enlai's 1951 offer, where he publicly stated that China had no territorial disputes with India. Failing to grab that opportunity, Nehru allowed Mao the chance to improve his global image, which, till the war, continued to remain in the shadows of Chiang Kai-shek.
In the next episode of Inside She's China, The Great Game Plan,